Now friends, welcome back 7th class. I am Asif from Modern International School, Hiswa, and we are going to learn solve a couple of questions from exercise 6D, chapter number 6, algebraic expression. These are the very simple questions, and these all questions are depending on the multiplication of first or more expressions, okay, to each other. Okay, now see, we have taken question number 17 is here. Now friends, get ready, please have a look. Now friend, we have taken question number 17, x raised to power 4 plus 1 by x raised to power 4 whole bracket multiply by x plus 1 by x. We will solve as the previous method. Okay, now first we have to select this term and multiply the whole bracket. Okay, now write as that means we are going to apply the distributive law. Okay, multiplication over addition. X raised to power 4 is multiply x plus 1 by x whole expression. Okay, now next, now the time is here. Now this is the plus, write the plus, and now this is going to be multiplied whole 1 x raised to power 4 is multiplied by x plus 1 by x. Okay, now this is completely okay, complete. Now see here, this multiply by individually term, this here is the plus, here the plus into plus, there is no minus sign, so there is no need to negative sign. We have to write down the always plus sign. X raised to power, here is 1 power, we can write the directly, here is the, you write x raised to power 4 multiply by x. Okay, here is the plus, now x raised to power 4 multiply by 1 by x. This is complete. Now next, here is the plus, this 1 by x raised to power 4 is going to be multiply x, then once again the plus sign, write the plus, this is going to be multiply here 1 by x raised to power 4 and multiply by 1 by x. Okay, this multiply by this. Now here x is the 1 power, x raised to power 4 plus 1 5. This is, have a look friends, this power will get cancelled, or either we can say here is the 1 power. Okay, now here is the, have a look, this is x raised to power 4, x raised to power 1, but this is in the denominator, this is numerator, means division. When the write the single base and subtract their exponent 4 minus 1. Okay, now here have a look plus. Similarly here, now we are going to bring up or downwards. Okay, where this time, because this x is going to be up, so here we have to write negative sign, this 1. Okay, now here have a look. Now friends see, this is plus, write the 1 because here is the 1 is hidden, write the single, here is the base, here the base are same, so write the single base in denominator, because now this x is going to be downwards and this is 4 as it is, where we have to write this one minus sign, minus 1. Okay, here is the plus, now here is the 1 into 1, 1 multiplied by 1, now here is the 1 x raised to power 4, x raised to power 1, because the same power, write the, sorry, the same base, write the single base and add their exponent 4 plus 1 is 1. But remember, all these terms x raised to power 4 and x raised to power 1 are in denominator, so we have to place the resultant value after multiplying these two expressions as a denominator. The same position should be placed, same position. Okay, now here x raised to power 5 as it is. Okay, now next, this is plus x raised to power 4 minus 1 3, this should be called x raised to power 3, it is called as x raised to power cube or x to the power 3. Now this is 1 upon x raised to power 3, because 4 minus 1 3, plus 1 by x raised to power 5. So this is your final answer. Okay, you please practice, you will be very clear. Now see, now friend see, we have taken question number 25, same questions, now only we have to multiply this expression with this. Okay, now write the first solution. First we have to take this number, or either this will x, this x is going to multiply the whole, or this y is going to multiply this whole, or either we can say this x square is going to be multiplied by this whole number, then this minus xy is multiplied by this whole, and this y square plus y square is multiplied by this whole. Okay, now I'm going to write here x square is multiplied by this whole x plus y. Okay, this is minus xy, so this minus xy is going to multiply this whole x plus y, and now this plus y square is multiplied by x whole x plus y is the, so the multiplication sign. Okay, No, here is the x square or x cube, because we have to go fast. So be fast, because we have already discussed about the base are same. Add their exponent. Here is the x square, here is x cube. In multiplication we have to add their exponent. Okay, in addition we have to add their, here is the values. Now x raised to power 3 the x square plus x square y. Okay, now here have a look. This is xy minus into plus minus, and x multiplied by x square, and this is y as it is. Now minus into plus minus, here is the minus, here is plus. Okay, this x only x, y into y square, because here is the 1 power, here is the 1 power, 1 plus 1, exponent is 1 plus 1, 2 exponent. Okay, I hope you will clear. Now next come to here. This is plus y square, here is the plus into plus y square x. We can write the x y square or y square as both the same. Now this is now this you have to multiply this plus into plus. Here is the y2 and here is the y1, means y cube, y raised to power 3. Now here x cube is here, y cube is here. Okay, we can here x square y or x square y. Yes, the same term with the plus sign or minus sign will get cancelled. Okay, now x y square, same term, here x y square same, but here is the minus, here the plus, will get cancelled both. Okay, now the remaining points x cube, here is the plus. We have always observed the terms, the sign. If you want to recognize the sign of any term, now we have to see the just before the term. Here the before this term is the plus sign, so this plus sign of 43, yani y raised to power 3 is having positive sign, so here write the plus and as it is. This is the final answer. I hope you will clear. Now friends, question, we have taken question number 31st, because these are the very simple questions. This is as the previous question, and this is the last question. With the help of this question you will be very clear concept about the multiplication of first expression with the another. Okay, now here have a look. Here is the first expression is here, is multiplied by this expression, then here is the minus sign, here is the, then the another fraction expression is multiplied by this. First of all, this expression is, we have to multiply this expression by this as the previous method that we have just solved, and then multiply here, then find the difference between them. Okay, now first we are going to multiply here. Now select the first term. For this first term 3x square is multiplied by this as 3x square. 3x square is going to be multiplied the whole x minus y. Okay, this is plus, and right here the 5x is also going to multiply the x minus 1. This 7 minus 7 is multiplied by x minus 1. We can show their multiplication, doesn't matter, x minus 1. Okay, now here this is the minus sign, here is the minus. Okay, now but we have to place the bracket, important is here. Okay, because minus signs will change their signs. If there is the plus, then multiply with minus becomes minus sign. This is why we are place a bracket. Here is the now same x square, we are going to multiply this whole x square is multiplied by x plus 4. Okay, now this minus 2x is going to multiply x plus 4. Okay, now this plus 3 is multiplied by x plus 4. This is very simple method that you are going to multiply. First we have to select the first term, then multiply whole, write the first term as it is, there is the sign of multiplication, and write this expression. Then move the next term, write the same next term including their sign. Here is the minus 2x, write minus 2x as it is. Here the multiply, because we have to multiply with this, right as it is. Then move plus 3, multiply this. Then next we have to multiply here plus, here is the plus into plus 3x square multiplied by single x. This 3 as it is, here is the x square, here is the 1x, x cube, remember. Now this is minus, there is the plus into minus, we have to multiply this minus 1, here the sign is minus. Now 3x square 1 is 3x square, any numbers is going to multiply with 1 becomes the same number. Okay, remember. Now here this is plus and this is plus x, plus into plus 5x, 5 as it is, here is the x into x square. Okay, now once again this 5 is x is multiplied by minus 1, here is the minus, here is the plus, minus into plus minus, 5x into 5x. Okay, now see, here is the minus, here is the plus is hidden, minus into plus minus 7, this is x. Now this minus is multiplied with this minus 1. this is minus into minus plus, 7 1 ja 7. Okay, now next, this is as it is, here the minus sign. Here the x square is multiplied by this x, plus into plus plus x cube. Okay, now next, this is also plus, here is going to be multiply x square plus and plus 4, plus into plus plus 4x ka 4x square. Okay, now here have a look, this minus 2x is multiplied with plus x, here is the plus, here is the minus, minus into plus minus 2 and x into x square. Why? Because here is the 1, here is the 1 exponent, add the exponent, write the single base. Okay, now next, 2 minus 2x is multiplied with 4 plus 4, plus into minus minus 2 4 ja first 8, then x as it is. Okay, now here plus 3 is multiplied by plus x, here the plus into plus plus. Okay, 3x. Once again, this plus 3 is multiplied by 4, here is the plus into plus plus, and 4 3 is 12, and this is the close bracket. By close bracket, yes, there is the minus, and minus sign is going to multiply the whole terms, okay, inside this curly bracket, and we have to change this sign, plus into minus and minus into plus. Here have a look, 3x cube, write the 3x cube as it is. Okay, this is minus x square term, x square. Have a look, friends, this is 5, this is greater than the 5, the 2, here is the 5x square, 3x square. If you subtract, this is 2x square plus 2x square. Why? Because 5 is greater, and we have to place the sign of greater value. So 5x square is the greater value, and the sign of this greater value is positive. So this is why here is the positive sign, means 2x square. Okay, now here both the terms are negative, then we have to add their values, 7 plus 5 12, regardless their sign, and place the negative sign. Okay, and plus 7 as it is, because there is no pair of the constant term, as it is. Here first of all solve the insides. Here is the x cube as it is, there is no another term of like x cube, no. Here is the, have a look, x square 4x square minus 2x square, yes, plus 2x square. Okay, here is the minus 8x, here is the plus 3x, this is greater value, write the sign of greater value, 8 plus 3 any 5x. Now here is the plus 12. Okay, now write this is as it is, x cube plus 2x square minus 12x plus 7. Now multiply this minus, and we have to change the sign of inside the terms of this curly bracket, means here the plus minus. Why? Because minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus 2x, minus into minus plus 5x. Okay, minus into plus minus 12. Okay, now this x cube, here is the only one, here is the 1 is hidden, 1 x cube, here is the 3 minus 1 2, and x cube is x cube. Okay, here we have to finish about x cube. Okay, now see x square term, here is the x square 2x square term, here is the 2 square term, same term with opposite sign will get cancelled. Okay, here is the minus, here the plus will get cancelled. Now next, minus 12x, yes, here is the minus 12x, and here is the plus 5x. We can write the plus any 12 minus 5 7x, but look at friend, this is the greater value, 12x is greater, having negative sign, we have to place the negative symbol. Okay, now this is complete. Now remaining parts, have a look, this is minus 12 or 7 is the greater value, yes, of negative sign. Okay, the greater value having negative sign, write the negative sign and subtract them, 12 minus 7 5, so 5 is, that means finally we will raise the answer 2x cube minus 7x minus 5. This is your final answer. While solving such types of questions, friends, only we have to clear the concept about the multiplication, about their sign. It's very important. This is very minor thing, but very important. If once is wrong the in multiplication like plus minus or minus plus, then the all questions will be very wrong. So please friends, be careful, cautious. So your homework is, friends, question number 16 to 31st. Okay, exercise 6D, chapter algebraic expression. I hope you will be clear. If you have any doubt or questions, so please enter your name, class and dot numbers questions in your comment box below. Okay, in the comment box below. Have a nice day.